Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Nationwide Haul Equipment Review. Today we're going to be looking at these Wade steel flatbeds. For Wade, we carry two models. We carry a 45-102 that comes with a universal lift kit. This is the unit we're going to be looking at today. And then we also carry an all-steel 48-102, which is a more standard flatbed, which is used for other materials. This particular flatbed, though, is used for guys that are carrying block, brick, construction materials, pretty much anything that they need to load and offload from warehouses onto job sites. At the rear of the trailer, which we'll review in a little bit, you're going to see a universal lift kit on it, which allows it to have either a Princeton, a piggyback, a Moffett, or a pow finger, depending on what's the preference of the operator. So we'll start from the front here. You have your typical air lines and electric lines that you'll have here. This unit comes with a bulkhead. This is a steel bulkhead, which is mounted in the front. The purpose of this, of course, is because you always have a payload on this. So if by some chance the driver needs to slam his brakes, it's very important to have this wall right here to prevent for the payload to come forward and cause any damage to the truck. So this unit comes with a 130K rated beam. It has a Jost 8450 landing gear, 55,000 pound rated. It comes with 12 winches and 12 straps. You have your standard side lights and two marker lights, one in the front, one in the back. You have a ride well air suspension on these units. They come with steel white powder rims, and these are of course 11R 22.5 rims, which are pretty standard in the market. You have two mud flaps at each end, and then obviously the highlight of this particular unit again is the universal lift kit, which we find here in the back. So we're going to talk a little bit about the rear end of this particular trailer. Light configuration is two standard DOT lights on each side, 3 penny lights in the middle. This entire configuration, we wanted it to be a universal configuration because there are multiple options that you can have for a truck mounted forklift. With this configuration, the driver can put pretty much any Moffett unit, any Princeton unit, pow finger unit as well as any piggyback unit. Again, they're not forced to have a specific truck mounted forklift to work with this unit. This makes it obviously a very, versatile trailer to have, to buy and go right to work with. The bed on this trailer, as you will see, you have the outside nailer boards and then you have the central nailer boards. This allows for the driver to really have options with regards to the payload that he's going to be hauling and to be able to nail things down properly as he goes down the road. So in conclusion, this Wade unit, this all-steel flatbed 45, again 102 with the universal lift kit in the back, is a great option for those guys that are in the construction business, concrete, block, so on and so forth. Again, you can visit us at nationwidehaul.com. You can also reach us at sales@nationwidehaul.com, and we will be more than happy to send you information about these units, pricing, and anything else you need from us. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again soon.